Assalomu alaykum. You're watching English with American. Uy hayvonlarning bugun darsimizda biz ingliz tilini yana The Secret Life of Pets multfilmi orqali o'rganamiz. Bu multfilmdan biz allaqachon 3-sahnani analiz qilyapmiz. Bundan oldingi 2 darsni agar ko'rmagan bo'lsangiz, kontekstni yaxshiroq tushunib olishingiz uchun albatta ko'rib oling. Bugun sahnada bizni nima kutmoqda? Maxning egasi Keri uyga boshqa Duke ismli ko'cha itini olib keladi va bu aniqki Maxga yoqmaydi. Sahnaning eng qiziq nuqtasi Duke Maxning Keriga bu itdan qutulishimiz kerak degan gapini eshitib qolgan joydan boshlanadi. Hali bu ikkalasi bilan Duke Maxning yotog'ini talashgan sahnasi ham bor. Xullas, bizni oldinda har doimgidek qiziqarli kontent kutmoqda. If you're ready, fasten your belts because we are starting right now.
Hey!
Katie!
I'm home, Max! Hey, Maximilian! How was your day, buddy? That's a good boy. Oh, yes, I'm so psyched to see you too, buddy. Okay, boy, calm down. It's okay. Let's all be calm. Now, I have some big news.
Hey Katie. Hi Katie.
I'm home, Max.
I'm home Max. Men uyga qaytdim Max.
Hey,
Hey Maximilian.
Maximilian! How was your day?
Demak, to'liq ismi Max emas, Maximilian ekan. How was your day, buddy? Kuning qanday bo'ldi do'stim? Buddy degani o'rtoq, do'st degan ma'noni aytadi va bu ko'rinib turibdiki, itga nisbatan ishlatyapti. Erkalatib. How was your day, buddy? Seni do'st, kuning qanday bo'ldi?
Hey, buddy!
That's a good boy. Xo'p. Qanchalik yaxshi bola yoki qanchalik yaxshi kichkintoy erkalatish ma'nosida boy so'zdan foydalanyapti. Demak, qanday yaxshi bola?
Boy. Oh, yeah.
Oh yes. Oh ha, I'm psyched to see you too. Men seni ko'rib turganimdan juda ham xursandman. Biz o'rganib qolganmiz oddiy so'zlardan foydalanishni, ya'ni I'm excited yoki happy to see you deb. Demak, bu darsni ko'rganingizdan so'ng bemalol birovni ko'rib turganingizdan xursandmisiz? Demak, psyched so'zidan bemalol foydalansangiz bo'ladi. Va bu so'zni nima degani to'liq ko'rib chiqamiz. Xo'p, seni ko'rishdan juda xursandman. Seni ko'rganimdan rosa hayajondaman. Demak, yaxshi kayfiyatda bo'lish, baxtli bo'lish, rosa ham xursand bo'lish. Demak, talaffuzi psyched eslab qolamiz. Psyched to see you. Ko'rib turganimdan juda ham xursandman. Psyched about the trip. Demak, sayohat haqida juda ham xursandman. Psyched for the game. O'yin uchun yaxshi kayfiyatdaman. Psyched up. Juda ham xursand bo'lib ketib qolmoq. Really psyched to see you again. Men seni ko'rib turganimdan juda ham xursandman. We are all psyched for the concert tonight. Bugungi tungi konsert uchun bizlar barchamiz juda ham xursandmiz. Men videoyim boshlab aytishimiz mumkin ekan. I'm psyched to see you again. Ya'ni qayta ko'rib turganimdan juda ham xursandman. Sizlarni qayta ko'rib turganimdan juda ham xursandman.
Yes, I'm so psyched to see you too, but
Okay, boy. Okay, boy, okay. Calm down. Tinchlan, o'zingni bos. Calm down.
okay, boy, calm down. It's okay.
It's okay. Let's all be calm. Okay, barchamiz tinchlanamiz.
Calm.
Now, endi I've some big news. Menda bitta katta yangilik bor.
I have some big news. Ugh, I know this will take some getting used to, but I think it's going to be a great thing in the long run. Oh, Max, this is Duke.
I know this will take some getting used to. Demak, gapni to'liq tarjima qilamiz. I know, men bilaman, tushunaman seni. This will take some. Take some degani bu yerda ozgina vaqt talab etadi yoki ozgina vaqt oladi. Nima uchun vaqt olar ekan? Getting used to. Getting used to degani bu ko'nikmoq, adaptirovаться, ya'ni moslashmoq. Biror narsaga moslashishga yoki biror narsani ko'nikishga getting used to deb ishlatsangiz bo'ladi. Demak, bu ko'nikib ketishga yoki moslashib ketishingga ozgina vaqt talab etadi. Getting used to so'zini ko'ramiz. Ko'nikib bormoq, asta-sekin odatlanib bormoq. Avval g'alati yoki qiyin bo'lgan narsa moslashib ketmoq. Xo'p, demak, getting used to living alone. Yolg'iz yashashga ko'nikib ketish. I'm getting used to my new schedule. Men yangi grafikimga, yangi jadvalimga sekin asta ko'nikyapman. Hop, she's getting used to living in Korea. U Koreyada yashashgani ko'nikib bormoqda, sekin-asta ko'nikyapti. Demak, tushunaman seni. Bu ko'nikib ketishingga biroz vaqt oladi.
I know this will take some getting used to,
But I think it's going to be
a great
thing in the long dotida it ishini buzib gapini bo'ldi. Bu aytmoqchi ediki, bu biroz vaqt oladi ko'nikib ketishga, lekin in the long term, ya'ni uzoqni ko'zlab aytganda bu juda ham ajoyib narsa bo'ladi. Demak, in long term so'zini ko'ramiz. Longdan keyin u term so'zini ishlatmoqchi edi, katta ehtimol bilan. Shu sababli o'sha so'zni ham ko'ramiz. Uzoq muddatli, uzoq davom etadigan yoki uzoq kelajak uchun mo'ljallangan. Long term effect, uzoq muddatdan keyin yoki uzoq muddatli effektlar, ya'ni ta'sirlar. Long term investment, uzoq muddatni ko'zlab qilingan investitsiya, sarmoya. Learning Korea is a long term goal for me. Koreys tilini o'rganish uzoq muddatga mo'ljallagan maqsadim. Demak, bilaman, seni tushunaman. Bu biroz vaqt oladi ko'nikib ketishga, lekin uzoqni o'ylab gapirsam, bu juda ham yaxshi narsa bo'ladi. Great thing. It will be great thing.
In the long. Oh.
Max, this is Duke. Max, tanish, bu Duke.
This is Duke. He's going to be your brother. No, Max. Okay, it's gonna be all right, Duke. It's okay. Aw, see, he likes you. Yeah, that's it, Duke. Take a look around. I know, buddy. This is a lot to take in, but he didn't have a home. So you and I are going to have to take care of him. Ugh. Okay?
He is going to be your brother. U seni akang bo'ladi. Bundan keyin akang bo'ladi.
He's going to be your brother.
No, Max. Yo'q, Max. Unday qilma degan ma'noda aytmoqchi. No, Max.
No, Max. Okay.
Hop. It's going to be all right, Duke. Hop, Duke. O'zingni bos. Bu hammasi yaxshi bo'ladi.
It's going to be all right, Duke. It's okay.
It's okay. Hammasi joyida. See, he likes you. Ko'ryapsanmi? See, ko'rdingmi? He likes you. U seni yoqtiryapti. U seni yoqtiradi yoki u seni yoqtirib qoldi.
He likes you.
Yeah, that's it, Duke. Ha. Bo'ldi, hammasi shu, Duke.
That's it, Duke.
Take a look around. Atrofni ko'rib chiq, atrofni o'rganib chiq. Take a look around. Demak, mehmonlarga nisbatan aytsangiz bo'lar ekan. Take a look around. Atrofni ko'rib chiqmoq, atrofni o'rganib chiqmoq yoki atrofni aylanmoq. I know, buddy. Men bilaman, do'stim, o'rtog'im yoki seni tushunaman, do'stim. This is a lot to take in. Bu ham yaxshi ibora, ya'ni qabul qilish uchun yoki anglash uchun bu juda ham katta narsa yoki juda ham og'ir narsa, qabul qilish uchun juda ham og'ir narsa. A lot to take in iborasini ko'ramiz. B2 darajasi degan. Xo'p, hazm qilish uchun yoki hazm qilish qiyin bo'lgan darajada ko'p ma'lumot, birdaniga tushunish yoki qabul qilish qiyin bo'lgan narsa. Quite a lot to take in. Biroz juda ham ko'p narsa qabul qilish uchun. You've just received a lot of information. It's a lot to take in. Sen hozirgina juda ham katta miqdorda informatsiyani qabul qilding va buni anglash juda ham qiyin bo'ladi. Demak, the doctor's explanation was a lot to take in at first. Boshida yoki birinchi marta bo'lganda doktorning tushuntirishi, nimani tushuntirgan bo'lsa, o'sha narsa qabul qilish uchun juda ham qiyin bo'ldi. Demak, biror narsani hazm qilish yoki qabul qilish, anglash uchun qiyin bo'lgan narsa ekan. Mana, tushunib, mentalni o'shani o'z ichiga olmoq. Your whole life is about to change. I know it's a lot to take in. Seni butun hayoting o'zgarish arafasida. I know, seni tushunaman. It's a lot to take in. Buni anglash juda ham qiyin. Demak, buni qabul qilishing juda ham qiyin bo'ladi. Lekin
Lots to take in, but
he didn't have a home. Unda uy yo'q edi. So you and I have to take care of him.
he didn't have a home. So you and I are going to have to.
So you and I are going to have to take care of him. Uni uy yo'q edi. Shu sababli men bilan sen endi u haqida g'amxo'rlik qilishimiz kerak.
Take care of him. Ugh. Okay?
Okay? Xo'pmi?
Oh my gosh! Duke found our lost ball! Oh, what a great team we're gonna be! Love you, Maxie. Love you, Duke. Sleep tight, boys. Mwah.
Oh my gosh. Voy xudoyim.
My gosh! Duke
Duke found our lost ball. Duke bizni yo'qolgan kaptogimizni topdi. Find. So'zining o'tgan zamon shakli, ya'ni found.
found our lost.
Duke found our lost ball.
What a
What a great team we are going to be. Qanday ajoyib guruh bo'lamiz. Qanday ajoyib team bo'lamiz. Love you, Max. Seni yaxshi ko'raman, Max.
Maxie. Love you, Duke.
Love you, Duke. Seni ham yaxshi ko'raman, Duke.
Sleep tight, boys.
Sleep tight, boys. Bolalar, yaxshi uxlanglar. O'zi tight degani tarang degan ma'noni anglatadi yoki yopishib turadigan narsa. Misol uchun kiyimga tight piece of cloth bo'lsa, yopishib turadigan tor kiyim bo'ladi. Demak, sleep tight bo'lsa qanday ma'noda kelar ekan ko'ramiz. Yaxshi uxlamoq, maza qilib uxlang, tinch va rohat bilan uxlamoq. Demak, sleep tight and sweet dreams. Yaxshi uxlanglar va shirin tushlar ko'ringlar. Sleep tight and I will see you in the morning. Shirin yaxshi uxla, men seni ertalab ko'raman. The mother kissed her child and said, sleep tight. Ona bolasini o'pib, yaxshi uxla deb aytdi.
Mwah.
Hey, little guy, this place is so great.
Uh-huh.
By the way, that is one gorgeous bed.
Yeah, it's okay.
Maybe we could share. You know, one night you get the bed, the next night I do. That kind of thing.
You know, this bed is mine. You get an old blanket. That suits you. You're an old blanket kind of a dog.
Oh, wow. You are stubborn. Hey, I get it. I'm stubborn too. But we got to learn to get along.
Wait. What are you...
I bet we can both fit in this bed if we really try.
no.
Let me scoot on in there.
No, wait.
Ah, perfect. This is comfy, right?
No, it is not.
Ah, I'm comfy. Hey,
Hey, little guy. Hoy, kichkina bola.
little guy, this place is
so great. Bu joy juda ham ajoyib, juda ham zo'r.
so great.
Uh-huh.
By the way,
By the way, aytgancha, that's one gorgeous bad. Bu bitta juda ham ajoyib bad. Gorgeous degani juda ham ajoyib, juda ham zo'r narsa. Gorgeous bad. Demak, aytgancha, bu juda ham zo'r divan, juda ham zo'r yotoq.
that is one gorgeous bed.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Ha, bu yaxshi.
Hey.
Maybe we could
share. Balki biz buni bo'lisha olamiz yoki balki biz buni bo'lisha olamiz.
share. You know,
one night you get the bed. Bilasanmi? One night you get the bed. Bir kun san get the bed. Yotoqni olasan degan ma'noda so'zimiz o'tilmoqchi, lekin bir tun bir kechqurun sen uxlaysan bu yotoqda.
Night, you get the bed. The next night,
The next night I do. Keyingi tunda esa men uxlayman.
I do. That kind of
That kind of thing. Shunga o'xshagan narsa.
thing.
You know, this bed
You know, this bed is mine. Bilasanmi? Bu yotoq meniki.
is mine. You get an old
You get an old blanket. Sen eski blanket, yopinchiq, eski choyshab yoki yopingichni olasan.
blanket. That suits
That suits you. Bu senga to'g'ri keladi, senga mos.
you. You're an old
You are an old blanket kind of a dog. Sen, ya'ni eski choyshabga mos yoki loyiq bo'lgan it turisan.
blanket kind of a dog.
Oh,
Oh wow. Oh whoa.
wow.
You are stubborn. You are stubborn degani qaysar fikridan qaytmaydigan. Xo'p, bu oddiy so'z, buni ko'rmaymiz. You are stubborn. Sen juda ham qaysar ekansan.
Are stubborn. Hey, I get
Hey, I get it. Hoy, men buni tushunaman. I get it.
it. I'm stubborn
I'm stubborn too. Men ham qaysarman.
too. But we got
But we gotta learn to get along. Lekin got to. Ishimiz kerak, majburmiz yoki qilishimiz kerak, qilishimiz zarur. To learn to get along. Bir-birimiz bilan chiqishni o'rganishimiz kerak, yaxshi chiqishga o'rganishimiz kerak. Get along degani bir-biri bilan yaxshi chiqishmoq, yaxshi munosabatda bo'lmoq degan ma'noni beradi. Chiqishmoq, kelishmoq, yaxshi munosabatda bo'lmoq. Get along with co-workers, ya'ni ishdagi kasbdoshlar bilan yaxshi munosabatda bo'lmoq. Do you get along with your sister? Ya'ni opang bilan yaxshi chiqasanmi? Singling bilan yaxshi chiqasanmi? We get along really well. Biz juda yaxshi chiqamiz. Juda ham yaxshi munosabatamiz bir-birimizga. Demak, lekin biz bir-birimiz bilan chiqishga o'rganishimiz kerak.
learn to get along.
Wait, what are you?
Wait, what are you? To'xta. Yoki could. What are you? Nima qilmoqchisan?
How about we can
How about we can both fit in this bed? How about degani biron bir narsa haqida qanday fikrdasan? We can both fit in this bed. Bu yotoqga ikkalamiz sig'ishimiz haqida nima deysan?
both fit in this bed if we really
But if we really try, agar yaxshi harakat qilsak.
try
no.
to scoot on in there?
No, wait. Yo'q, could.
Oh, wait.
Perfect.
Perfect. Juda ham a'lo.
This is
This is comfy, right? Bu juda ham qulay, right? Shunday emasmi? Comfy. Qulay, shinam. Yaxshi his qiladigan darajada qulay. This sofa is so comfortable that I almost comfy that I almost fell asleep. Bu divan juda ham qulayki, demak shinamki, men uxlab qoldim. I changed it into comfy clothes after work. Men ishdan keyin kiyimlarimni qulaylariga almashtirdim.
comfy, right?
No, it is not. Yo'q, bu qulay emas. Unday emas.
I'm comfy.
I'm comfy. Men qulayman. Men o'zimni qulay his qilyapman.
Dukas is ruining our lives. He's ruining. It's an emergency that you get rid of this dog. He stole my. And he's scary and he's frightening and he's the death of all good things.
Aw, you little cutie pie.
Duke is ruining our lives. Duke bizning hayotimizni barbod qilyapti. Ruin degani barbod qilmoq yoki buzmoq. Ruining our lives. Duke bizning hayotimizni buzyapti.
Ruining our lives. He's ruining.
He is ruining. U barbod
It's an
qilyapti. It's an emergency that you get rid of this dog. Bu favqulodda holat. An emergency. That you get rid of this dog. Get rid of something. biron bir narsadan qutulish degan ma'noni anglatadi. Buni ham ko'ramiz. Qutulmoq, xalos bo'lmoq, keraksiz yoki yoqimsiz narsani olib tashlamoq, qutulmoq yoki xalos bo'lmoq. Demak, get rid of a problem, muammodan qutulmoq, get rid of bad habits, yomon odatlardan qutulmoq. She's trying to get rid of her bad habits. U ya'ni qiz bola yomon odatlardan qutulishga harakat qilyapti. How can we get rid of this problem? Biz bu muammodan qanday qutulsak bo'ladi? Qanday xoli bo'lsak bo'ladi?
Urgency that you get rid of this dog.
He stole my u meni yotog'imni, divanimni olib qo'ydi yoki o'g'irlab qo'ydi degan ma'noda aytmoqchi edi.
And
And he's
he's
scary and he's frightening and he's
scary and he's
va u juda ham qo'rqinchli. He's frightening. U juda ham dahshatli. Frightening, dahshatli. And he is frightening bilan scary deyarli sinonim birga eslab qolsanglar bo'ladi. He's frightening and
he's the death.
he's the death of all good things. The death, o'lim of all good things. Barcha yaxshi narsalarning o'limi, ya'ni barcha yaxshiliklarning yakuni yoki ajali degan ma'noda aytayapti.
Of all good things.
Aw,
Oh, you are cutie pie. Hop, subtitrda ham xato ketgan bo'lishi mumkin. You are deb o'rniga are bo'lishi mumkin edi. Cutie pie degani o'zi chiroyli ko'rinadigan pirog, pie degani pirog. Lekin bu yerda erkalash ma'nosida cutie pie. Jajji shirinvoy, juda yoqimtoy, shirin, mehrli odam. Hop. Little cutie pie. Kichik, yoqimtoy, kichkintoy. Oh, your baby is such a cutie pie. Voy, seni bolang yoki farzanding juda ham yoqimli, kichkintoy yoki. Come here, cutie pie. Bu yerga kel, kichkintoy.
we'll play tomorrow, buddy, okay? Okay, sleep well.
Are you trying to get rid of me?
Before I answer that, I'd like to know how much you heard.
So that's how it's gonna be, huh? Oh man, are you making me angry? And when I get angry, I do this. And I don't want to do that. I need this place. And if it's gonna come down to you or me, it's gonna be me.
We'll play tomorrow, buddy, okay? Sen juda ham kichkintoy. Lekin biz kel ertaga o'ynaymiz. Do'stim, okay? Hopmi?
Okay? Okay, sleep well.
Okay, sleep well. Yaxshi uxla. Are you trying to get rid of me? Boy, yep. Try to harakat qilmoq. Get rid of me. Mendan qutulishga harakat
You
qilyapsanmi?
trying to get rid of me?
Before
I answer that, I would like to know men bu savolingga yoki bu narsaga javob berishimdan oldin, before I answer that, I would like to know how much you heard. Uga javob berishimdan oldin men
I answer that, I'd like to know how much
you heard. Qancha narsani eshitib qolganingni bilishni xohlardim. U gap u narsaga javob berishimdan oldin.
you heard.
So that's how
it's going to be. Xo'p, shunday qilib bu narsa shunday bo'lar ekanmi? Holat shundaymi? Ha?
how it's gonna be, huh?
Oh man, you're making me angry. Yo, sen meni juda ham jahlimni chiqaryapsan. Make somebody angry, kimnidir jahlini chiqarmoq.
Man, are you making me angry?
And when I get angry, I do this. Va men jahlim chiqqanda shuni qilaman, shunday
when I
qilaman.
get angry, I do this. And I don't want
to do that. Va men buni qilmoqchi
to
emasman.
do that. I need this place.
I need this place. Menga bu joy kerak. Men bu joyga muhtojman.
And if it's gonna come
And if it's going to come down to me and you, va bu narsa, bu qaror menga yoki seniga kelganda men bo'laman. Ya'ni come down to so'zini ko'ramiz. oxir oqibatga borib taqalmoq. Demak, come down to a choice, to money, effort, come down to timing, come down to one thing. Biron bitta narsaga borib taqalmoq. Demak, success often comes down to consistency. Muvaffaqiyat oxir oqibat muntazamlikka yoki doimiylikka borib taqaladi. The game came down to the final minute. Demak, o'yin oxirgi daqiqasiga yetib keldi. Bu kontekstda come down'ni bilasizmi? Tabiiy tarjima qilganimizda agar men bilan sen o'rtasida qaror bo'lsa, if it's going to come down to me, oxir oqibat men bilan senga borib taqalsa bu narsa, ya'ni
Down to you or me, it's gonna be me.
it's going to be me. Men bo'laman, ya'ni men muhimroqman. Endi ekranga yaqinroq keling va yaxshiroq eshitishga harakat qiling. Chunki biz sahnani qayta to'liq
Hey,
Katie!
I'm home, Max. Hey, Maximilian, how was your day, buddy? That's a good boy. Oh, yes, I'm so psyched to see you too, buddy. Okay, boy, calm down. It's okay. Let's all be calm. Now, I have some big news. Ugh, I know this will take some getting used to, but I think it's going to be a great thing in the long run. Oh, Max, this is Duke. He's going to be your brother. No, Max. Okay, it's gonna be all right, Duke. It's okay. Aw, see, he likes you. Yeah, that's it, Duke. Take a look around. I know, buddy. This is a lot to take in, but he didn't have a home. So you and I are going to have to take care of him. Ugh. Okay? Oh my gosh! Duke found her lost ball! What a great team we're going to be! Love you, Maxie. Love you, Duke. Sleep tight, boys. Mwah.
Hey, little guy. This place is so great.
Uh-huh.
By the way, that is one gorgeous bed.
Yeah, it's okay.
Maybe we could share. You know, one night you get the bed, the next night I do. That kind of thing.
You know, this bed is mine. You get an old blanket. That suits you. You're an old blanket kind of a dog.
Oh, wow. You are stubborn. Hey, I get it. I'm stubborn too. But we gotta learn to get along.
Wait, what are you...
I bet we can both fit in this bed if we really
No,
try.
no.
Let me scoot on in there.
No, wait.
Ah, perfect. This is comfy, right?
No, it is not.
I'm comfy.
Dukas is ruining our lives. He's ruining... It's an emergency that you get rid of this dog. He stole my... And he's scary and he's frightening and he's the death of all good things.
Aw, you little cutie pie. We'll play tomorrow, buddy, okay? Okay, sleep well.
Are you trying to get rid of me?
Before I answer that, I'd like to know how much you heard.
So that's how it's gonna be, huh? Oh man, are you making me angry? And when I get angry, I do this. And I don't want to do that. I need this place. And if it's gonna come down to you or me, it's gonna be me. Ah!
So, how was it like? Qayta eshitganingizda necha foizini tushuna oldingiz? Kommentariyada o'zingizga eng ko'p yoqqan so'z ishtirokida gaplar tuzib qoldiring. Biz suhbatni o'sha yerda davom ettiramiz. Ha aytgancha, men har bir darsdan so'ng Telegram kanalimda o'sha darsda o'rgangan so'zlarimizdan flash kartalar yasab silka qoldiraman. Shu sababli Telegram kanalimga ham obuna bo'lib qo'ying va so'zlarni oson o'qib yodlab boring. As usual, I will leave you here. Enjoy your stay and I will see you in the next lesson.